Hey everyone, it's Amanda, and I have another STAMPERIA collection to share with you today, and it's called Blue Stars. And I picked this up online when I needed to complete a purchase or whatever to get the free shipping. So I saw this, I didn't already have it, and I wanted to get it, and I want to share it with you. So this is very similar in nature to the patchwork design that I shared with you before. And honestly, I have no idea what it looks like on the inside, so it'll be new to all of us. And this is 12 by 12. This again is made from Budapest, Hungary, and the quality of the paper is most excellent. I love it. And you can see it looks like a little collage on the front here. So let's open it up, and you can see some journaling cards here. These are fantastic. You can see all the little girls. It just looks like a mix of ephemera and mixed media all on a sheet. I love it. The back, this is what the back looks like here. So there's 6 on one page. And then we've got another page here with the little angel at the bottom. And it's got like a newsprint, and looks like you've got gesso on here and wood, you know, distressed wood and everything all on your sheet. This is like, I love it. And then the back is just the same. And we've got another, this one looks like brick. So where this one was wood, this is brick. And this little girl here with the wings, she has kind of like a jester costume on. And again, there's newsprint in various spots, and it looks like gesso all over the place. It's really cute. And then the back is just plain, the same design. This one, you've got your little costumed angel over here, and it says, just like the butterfly, I will awaken in my own time. And for the fabric or medium look on this one, it is burlap. So it looks like a burlap and flannel with your script and gesso and mixed media there. And then the back of this one is all stars with some script here, and then the same little angel, dressed up angel. This one, the next page has that same kind of mixed media here. There's a little bit of crackle right in here that I think is different, and some stitching on the edges. And then this little girl says, life is now. And if we fold it or we look over, it's just plain on the back with that same design. I guess it's weird to say it's plain with the same design, but there's no little girls or characters or little words or signage or anything on it. This next page, we have some newsprint stars. These are really cute. A ruler. This looks like tin. Just all different kinds of, maybe this ruler might be like measuring tape. It says capture life's moments, and it's got the words on the bottom. Very distressed look and feel. And then the back side is more of a ecru color, and you've got like some watermarks, you know, like from coffee cups. Very much dictionary type pages on the bottom, or you know, throughout. And then it says, what can I do when the night comes and I break into stars? It's cute. It's very very homey, angel-y feel to it. It's that heart of gold and stardust soul that make you beautiful. Again, you've got some burlap and watermarks and gesso look to it. Stitching around the edges. And the back of this page has at the top like a little garland of hearts with the newsprint on it, which is really, really adorable. Ooh, now we have blue. It's Make a Wish. All different prints. Let's see. Kindness can change the world. Looking up. bring the stars. There's so much to look at each page. And then this says again, what can I do when the night comes and I break into stars? I prefer winter and fall when you feel the bone structure of the landscape. Lots of different quotes in here. Make a wish. Love this. Let's see what the back side looks like. Well, this one, it still has that blue look to it, but it has some music notes in it. Very pretty. We have next page is 3x4 journaling cards. So cute. These would make great cards. And then that's just what the back looks like. It's simple on the back. Some snowflakes. Obviously, this is a winter collection that I did not know. And then the back is snowflakes again, but with an opposite look. So we've got dark with snowflakes and then light with snowflakes. So I am just like in love with the Stamperia paper, and I do have some other collections that I want to share too, but they're kind of in a stack of stuff to of future projects. So when I get out those, I will share them with you also. I just think these are so cute. This one is Blue Stars, and if I can find a link to it, I will put it below. And I will also link the project I did with the patchwork Stamperia and then the Stamperia reveal. So you can look at those if you want. So anyway, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you have a great day. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you get all future videos. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.